Yeah, this is the most innovative and maybe the most interesting thing about my project, because I will not start from the trauma, but from the events that follow that trauma. Therefore, I will not take, for example, bombing and child abuses during war and so on, but I will start the research from subsequent interventions, medical interventions, social interventions, and legal intervention. And then, therefore, I will study war orphans, children in psych-care after the Second World War, and children or juvenile delinquents.